What's up, guys? It's your girl Coupon Queen T back at it again here for another video, you guys. And today I am going to buy an iMac. Yay! I'm so excited. I've been wanting one for quite a while. And so my husband found me one at Best Buy that was open box for, I think it was like $954 or something like that. So I'm on my way to Best Buy now to go check it out and go get it. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So let's get it. All right, y'all, going up into Best Buy. They just opened this store back up, so I'm going in here to see if I can find me an iMac. Okay, so I'm walking around Best Buy right now. As I just said, they just opened this store back up, and they are on a queue, text queue. So if you need help with getting something, if they're not available and they're helping other people, they text you to let you know they're ready to help you. So, y'all, this is like the new norm. It's crazy. Literally hardly anybody even in here, and I have to wait for someone to come available to help me. So while I'm waiting, I guess I'll just look at some other stuff. Okay, y'all. So first of all, I'm over it because I got back home to unbox my computer and epic fail, you guys. As you just saw, it was missing the power cord. So now the box says it has no missing accessories. and it was missing the power cord. So I got all the way home. I got home, I got me something to eat. I was ready to open up my computer, and I opened up my computer as you just saw, and it is missing the power cord. So I had to drive back to Best Buy because how you gonna turn the computer on if you ain't got no power cord? Like, how you gonna do that? You can't turn it on. So I kept calling them to see what they wanted me to do, but because of COVID-19, ain't nobody answer the phone. Child, it's about 3 people working in there. I mean, literally 3. All of 3 people, and ain't nobody answering the phone. So I had to drive back to Best Buy to tell them that the power cord was missing. So I get back in Best Buy, and the lady that walked me out of Best Buy with the box was like, "Oh, welcome back." No, I'm back. I'm back because there's no power cord. So she said, "Oh, I'm so sorry." She apologized. She was very apologetic. She really was. And so then they went on the hunt looking for the power cord. Well, long story short, y'all, they ain't had no power cord. They couldn't find it. They ain't know where it was at. It ain't one. They don't know. So what she did was she substituted a better iMac for me for the price of this, pretty much the price of the open box one that I got. So I'm still excited. So I got a better one with, it is what, 4K? So it's in 4K, what, monitor? The monitor is in 4K. All the better to edit my videos for you guys, my dear. So yes, she brought the price of that one down, which was originally $1,300. So she brought it down to the price of dang near the open box one. So I technically, after tax, I only paid $1,100, which was great. So I got it. I'm excited now. I'm about to open this one, which hopefully everything is there. This is a brand new one, by the way. The other one had been, of course, been used because it was open box. So I paid a couple dollars difference, but that didn't matter because I'm getting a brand new one. All under the price of what it was, $1,300. So it would have been $1,300 plus tax. And I got it for $1,100 and after tax. So it was great. I can show you my receipts. But now I'm gonna open it, you guys. Oh, by the way, I had to, because I didn't have a desk or anything to set it on, so I had to go rip and run around town and try to find a desk to put the computer on. So I found one. So my husband is gonna put that together, and we're gonna try to get this computer up. voice, feeling my sound, he loving my voice. Sorry sis, no disrespect, ain't checking for him, I'm getting a check. I learned from the alphabet, get the W first, ain't stressing no S.
I gotta go get it, 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 I gotta go get it.